Klan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni ka Pisa. Kali jauh nak ni? Ba, ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat nama?
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsiam ka long ka bordor.
Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau bagi kemiru ia katenat korbari ke Jelau ba Prestone dan song ula Kyntu ya barok ki Nongkhaii bagi nong song ki bayo ke jing Dawa Pisa na ka kenhon king atiar ke HNLC bagi nam syap tiang henrai banwan cekmat menujor da ke FIR. Kini ke jingkren Myntri kawan hadian balami ki kubor badan ki hek Nongkhaii ki bayo ke kubor Dawa Pisa lembaga WhatsApp na kene keseng. Habakran bekelat patai kubor ka nyau tarik jemang arhajar arpun rio. Ubah Prestone tensong mulai itu bagi sarkar kalayo iki kaipot bakla de bicar benia alor kena kam dangshan. Ula Kyntu ikitu ki bayo iki ni kijeng Dawa baki omset na buri ke jeng tip ndrai bampetep mardor syaki pulet syaki outpost syaki office superintendent ki pulet newat Shah Myntri. Nang bagi sarkar kan yok ban bud dien mat kem ya ki badan penta. Kathong jong sarkar kalong ban pensingan bat ailat ki Nongkhaii ban trei hapdeng ke jing suk jing san. Halor ke jingkeli ban syem ya ke senjam so moto ubah Prestone tensong ula pencai bagi jeng kerja anda kitu ke basyak Dawa Pisa ki buri ke jeng tip pembaar nilai tayo kem de pentip syukur sarkar harap gua kubor kan nami 4 bat. Ula Kyntu ya barok ki Nongkhaii ban kloy ban malam ki jingja syukur jeng tip sarkar lan ki pulet nang ban syem ki senjam ke bateng kat kumkaan. Ula pen scam ya ke jeng syania upat ba re ke boong bagi sarkar ke don baneda yaki bat kem dei ban cap tiang. Ula benrap belada dek HNLC kinong tu negi dikhat rius new ke sarkar kan yang scam ban penstam teng aki la upat ba wet rilang na ka basam ki jing tip klem ke jing syap tiang.
My only humble request to all those concerned who receive such messages, please don't hesitate to come quietly, file FIR or inform us, even informally. We are there to track it. And we are here to make sure that everybody are safe, everybody are doing business peacefully. So therefore, any such kind of messages, if they receive, I would request all of them kindly send it immediately to the police station or the police outpost or even to the district headquarters of the police and the state headquarters.
But police can take suamoto steps to investigate.
Well, yeah, that is different issue. What I'm saying, because see, you don't know. Maybe they must have received 2 weeks or 3 weeks back. They kept quiet. They did not share with us. They did not inform us till it came out in the public. So yeah, for Somoto is different issue. But what I'm saying is those concerned stakeholders, in case if they receive such messages, I would request all of them, don't hesitate. Please don't hesitate. Bring it to the notice of the government and action will be taken accordingly. Well, I would like to request the citizens of the state, don't be scared. We are there. But in case if you don't share with us such information, again we'll have problem. I would request all of them, kindly don't be scared. Be it HNLC or be it a group of thieves or be it any group of criminals. Please don't be scared. We are there and we are firm. We will deal with them very, very firmly from now on.